Okay, it's time to size the mask. You've got your mask, right, that you've made from the project tutorial. So you want the top of the lips, this, to hit right here underneath your nose, okay? So you put the mask on your face and you get it where you want it, where you want to wear it, and then you pinch where your nose is, okay? And then you take it off and hold that place. I'm going to even it out a little bit, okay? And hold that place. And then we're going to stitch it. Okay, here we go. Okay, is it strange to stitch this in a bathroom sink? Yes, yes it is strange, but desperate times call for desperate measures. I'm at my parents' house, and this is where I can do it, where you can see it. So, okay, so I held it closed, right? So there's the bend, right? So I'm gonna pass it through a few times. To anchor it. Okay. Now, I need to make this bend stay, right? So we don't want it folded, right? But we just want a nice gentle curve so it will stay bent. So I'm gonna come over here. Right. And then come out over here. Okay. All right. Now, we bend it and pull it. And that's like a perfect kind of gentle bend. Then I'm going to try it on. Yeah, to make sure that the bend is in the right place, and it's absolutely fine. There's room for a nose above it. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. So it's not gonna really have a whole lot of tension on it. So this stitching is fine for holding this together. And then we're just going to come in and bury our thread. And I'm going to crisscross it so that it really doesn't come out. And then I'm just going to clip it. And next we will do the elastic for the sides. All right. So it is time to put on the elastic. So I took a mask that a friend gave to me that, has these elastic things on it, and I cut them off. So in the tutorial, initially, I had two ways of finishing, one with knot and one with leaving a little tab, cutting around this and leaving this on, and then using the same technique. I think actually that that's kind of overkill, and the knot is better because it's just not as bulky. Okay, so I attached this one so you could see what it looks like. Okay, so it has a knot in the elastic, and then it just has a really tight couple of stitches that keep the knot from sliding out, okay? And then you can pull this down and make another knot higher up, and you can make it tighter if you want to. Okay, so I'm going to show you how I did this. Okay, so you do this in the tight stitches around the edge of the mask, okay? Because if you do it in these loose Byzantine stitches, they're just too big. So, and you just want to do like probably a couple stitches. You want to make sure it just anchors so it doesn't pull out. And don't go through the plastic canvas, because the plastic canvas is not what you want to hold the tension, to bear the weight of the tension. The needlepoint thread is a better bet. Okay, so I've tied a knot right here. Right here is my knot, right? Okay, whoops. Okay. So I'm gonna lay it down here, and then I'm just gonna do a couple of stitches. Right? To anchor it like that. Okay. And then I'm gonna pull it tight. Because as long as this is smaller than this isn't gonna make it out. Right? There. And then we just bury this thread. And another thing that you might want to consider doing is using for this thread, using a color that's just a little bit different than this color, because when you want to replace these, if you use a color that is not the same as this, it'll be easier to know where to snip this thread, so you can remove this and put on another one. And that's it. So you snip this, and then you do the other side, which isn't done, and then you just put it around your ears and wear it like a champ. I bid you goodbye and good wishes from my parents' front hall bathroom. And I will be back with vintage recipes I'm trying from my mother's cookbook, wearing her vintage clothing so that I can entertain myself. And it's very entertaining, or at least to me. So there you go. Bye.